Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. You are where everything is made with love in every stitch. I am here with the word of the day with Create with Becca. This is my video 11, and the word of the day for November 16th is leaves. So I'm going to remove this, and we're going to get busy with putting leaves on here. So I have all my leaves here, and I want the textured part up. So I have 3 leaves that I'm going to put on here, and I took all the veins out of the leaves. Okay, so let's see, we may need just 3, maybe more. Let me get my Tombow one and put the glue everywhere. And I see I put some on my table already. So we're going to clean that off. And we're going to get to sticking. Put this one that way. Stick it on. We're going to get this one. Put it over here. I want it up a little more. Like that. And we need to put some glue on the leaf on this side so it'll stick down. So we're going to put that right here. Put some over here so that'll stick. We're going to come down over here. We got to get all this stuff to stick down. Easy way. Just take the other glue and brush it on there. Let's get this stuck down. And then we're going to take our last leaf. Well, if we can get this one stuck down, we can take our last leaf and do something. We're just going to let that sit right there. And then we're going to take our glue, put it everywhere again. Cover it up. And I'm going to stick this one right here. Well, that's too much on top of that one, because now you can't see that one. I'm just going to put this one right up here. I'm going to trim all the excess off. So let's leave that there and go ahead and trim off all the excess. And this will be this project. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload videos, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please remember, you always in this place that everything is made with love in every stitch. Because I do make jewelry and things like that. So, please be kind, be loving, be blessed, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.